Hey, I'm Emily with Styled Mi Casa, and today I want to show you how I painted my outdoor fireplace using a Limewash paint. I am ready to tackle this outdoor fireplace makeover. Our pool builders had installed this concrete fireplace, and we wanted it left like a rustic concrete, but a couple of things. You can't really see it behind this tape, but there's a really bad patch there that's just driving me crazy. Also, it doesn't seem to be very moisture resistant, so you can see it's rained. This is all really dirty and messy right now. But when it rains, I'm noticing some of these signs of moisture. So I have this Limewash paint here. And then this company also sent me a sealer. So I can use this on an outdoor project. It's going to give me the same look of that exposed concrete. I went with a similar concrete gray color, but I'm going to get the protection that I'm looking for from the water damage. And I'm also going to spray the inside of this with a fire safe black spray paint as well. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it all works out. First things first, I'm going to get started with the spray painting. I'm generally someone that does really like to take shortcuts because I hate prepping, but I've learned from previous jobs that it's always a mistake to take those shortcuts. And it turns out worse, so I'm just going to take the time to go ahead and clean first, wipe down the fire pit. I can't remove this insert because it is connected to a natural gas line, so I'm not going to be able to just take it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm wiping it down so that my tape will stick to it, and then I'm also just going to wipe down any cobwebs, spider webs, things that are inside here so that the paint will stick. Just give it a quick clean out. So now that that's clean, I'm going to kind of tape these paper towels down to protect the inside. They fit perfectly, so I should just be able to kind of tape the edges. So I have already shaken this up again, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop these little shipping safety brackets off. With a screwdriver. Okay. Now, I actually got this paint quite a while ago, but Texas weather has been absolutely crazy. It was over 100 degrees for a couple of weeks at a time when this initially shipped, so I couldn't use it at that temperature. And then it's been raining and storming, and so it's been a while. I got these file folders. I've just cut them into two so that I can use them for the bottom. It may not actually work because it looks like some of this, I'm not going to be able to slip that under there to protect the paint. So it's actually quite thick, and they say not to get the brush more than halfway up the brush, and then you basically want to apply it in a cloud-like pattern. So you're just going to go back and forth in a cloud-like pattern. right, it's dark outside, so we are going to call it a night. I've got the first coat on, and it's definitely covered all of those imperfections. You can see it's starting to dry. So we'll check it out tomorrow. I think it's going to be a really interesting, nice, concrete look tomorrow, but with the moisture protection I'm looking for. And here is the end result. I have the patio all put back together. I think this turned out absolutely perfect. I can't believe the minimal effort with a simple lime wash technique and about 30 minutes of time. I have repaired the cracks on this fireplace, made it look fresh and new, and now it's waterproof and free of the mold and algae. So I'm so excited about the end result. I have lots of DIY content on my channel, so watch this video next.